Hello and welcome to Atheism versus Logic. I hope you're having a good day. I think you're scared. I think atheists are scared. They thought they had a worldview that was logical and scientific, but they're finding out that science and logic point to a creator. What we see inside living cells could not come about by chemistry and time. Chemistry and time could not produce biological transcription and translation. Chemistry and time could not produce genes and proteins. I'm talking about non-amyloid proteins that are functional of at least 150 amino acids. Right? Chemistry and time cannot produce DNA and then have a portion of that DNA be transcribed into messenger RNA, and then that messenger RNA, chemistry and time couldn't produce a ribosome for the messenger RNA to go to be translated into a polypeptide chain that would fold properly into this either a machine or some other kind of protein structure for life to support life, right? Right, chemistry and time cannot produce life. Chemistry and time cannot make sure those polypeptide chains would fold properly by chaperonin. Chemistry and time cannot produce ATP synthase to give energy to so many different machines, including the chaperonin. You're scared, aren't you? You're scared that the world is going to find out that the RNA world hypothesis and the protein first hypothesis are flawed. They could never get to transcription and translation. So be honest with yourself, right? Honest people, when given evidence, change their minds. If given evidence that there was no God, I would accept it. Right? I've said it before. I don't want to believe in God if there is no God, and I certainly don't want to believe in Jesus if he isn't God. He's asking for us to deny ourselves, take up our cross, and follow him. Right? My daughters, I've got 2 daughters and another child on the way. If Jesus isn't God, then I don't want them to believe in Jesus. They could be missionaries in a place where they die early, and I want to spend as much time with my daughters as possible. So are you being honest with yourself? Are you being honest that chemistry and time could not produce life? It couldn't produce transcription and translation. It couldn't produce ATP synthase and chaperonin. Be honest with yourself. Because I'm going to continue to confront leaders in the atheist movement and scientists. And I'm going to continue to make this message loud. That molecular biology proves that we were created. And that Christianity is the most logical view of reality.